Who is Dan? I presume that is Daniel. Dan. They call you Dan for short, but I think you're Daniel or so. Dan. Is there someone like that? I just want to speak over your life and then we'll be seated. Who is that? No, this gentleman I'm seeing, you're wearing like a white. Please verify. Do we have? What is your name?
Daniel. My name is Daniel.
What is your name? What's your name?
Daniel, my middle name.
What is your own name? How can you call three people wearing white at the same time? All called Daniel. For someone here, probably the reason why you came here is to access genuine prophetic fire. Now listen, don't you think everyone is stage managing and faking this thing? No, no, no. There are people who fear God and are very, very serious. You can receive an authentic prophetic grace. Authentic prophetic grace. Are we together? Daniel, let me pray for you. What do you do, my friend?
Sorry, say it again, sir.
What do you do?
I study and I'm doing my master's in.
You are another Daniel.
Yes, sir. I'm Daniel.
You are another Daniel.
Yes, my name is Daniel.
Let me pray for you. Do you believe that God is able to restore? I want to declare restoration upon you. You don't have to kneel. Please stand. In the name of Jesus, God who brought you out of this crowd, there's someone, your child is not here, but your child is suffering from autism. Now please be patient. Be patient. Listen, just listen. I know that there might be people here trusting God for healing. The person I'm talking about, your child is not here, but your child is trusting God. In fact, that is the first prayer request you wrote. I'm seeing the Lord is revealing to me, this is the first request that you wrote. Please be patient. Please be patient. Let's not fight and make this place rowdy. Madam, where are you coming from? The woman crying.
Chester. I came from Chester.
You have a son?
Yes.
How old?
6 years old. 6 years old.
Do you believe in the power of hope?
Yes.
Shout Jesus as loud as you can. Out of this family now. I curse that devil in the name of Jesus Christ. Adonai.